Just garnish your chicken like so.
Trust me, you will lick your fingers after making your chicken this way. You can eat with salad, you can eat with sandwich, you can eat it whichever way you like to do. We stewed it and it came out so delicious. Come on guys, let's get right into the video. You will love it.
So guys, this chicken has gone through a very good process of cleaning. I've gone in with parboiling this chicken with some lemon, lime and salt. So I'm going to wash this out thoroughly, cut them into the sizes, and then we start marinating. These are the herbs I'm going to be using for this chicken marinade. I'm going to try and leave the names in the description box so you can go ahead and try it. I have some basil here, I have scent leaf, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have some red onion, and I have some yellow onion. All of these are going to be going into this marinade, and I have some peppers. I'm going to be using all of these different peppers, scotch bonnets, green chili for my marinade also, just to give it a little heat. If you don't eat pepper, go ahead and skip it completely. And here we have some onions for garnishing. Let's get right into this video.
So for me, sometimes I like to cut my chicken into two just to make sure it's sizable and to make sure everybody picks up some pieces of chicken. Go ahead and cut your chicken into whichever sizes of your choice, and make sure you clean your chicken nicely like this. I clean my chicken very nicely. Make sure I take off all of those parts.
Everything is ready, nice and clean. I'm going to divide this into two, and then I'll blend all of my herbs, and then I'll marinate this chicken. I'm going to add all of these aromatics. Always very, very good for your chicken marinade or any good. Always very good for your chicken marinade. All of these aromatics. I'm going to add cloves. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this. I'll try and leave the names of these herbs in the description box. I'm going to add all of my peppers just to give it a little heat. It's always good to give it a little heat, trust me.
You can go ahead and use any of these items on the table.
Guys, I'm trying to be fast, so I'm adding it at the same time. We have two trays here.
First, I added paprika.
Here is my black pepper. I first add paprika. This is my black pepper. This is my chili pepper. I'm going to add the same here. Onion powder. I'm going to add the same here. I'm running. My garlic powder. I'm going to rub the same here. Yeah. My pink salt to season. I'm going to do the same here. Two trays, guys. We are running out. For seasoning, I'm going to do the same here. You want your chicken to have a good marinade, a good taste. Go about it this way.
That was my adobo seasoning.
I'm going to go in with some Maggi seasoning. This is Maggi chicken seasoning. Add any type of the Maggi seasoning that you care, but make sure you give your chicken a good, delicious taste so that family, friends, and loved ones can enjoy it, especially this Christmas season. Go in with some groundnut oil. The same thing to this tray. Add all of those blend, onion and all those herbs. Trust me, you're going to have a delicious chicken taste. Trust me, if you go about it this way, your chicken is always going to taste fantastic. Go in and massage it into it very well. Make sure everything gets, you know, all of those beautiful marinade. That way you are sure that you are going to have a delicious grilled chicken. And then you can decide to stew it. You can decide to just eat it that way. I like to eat with salad. Once I get my chicken done this way, I can always use it for salad. Honestly, I love it for salad. Trust me. We eat salad a lot in this house. I can just add spinach in my bowl and shred all of this beautiful chicken, and my vegetable will taste so good. I do not need to add any dressing to my spinach. I can just use this chicken to eat, and trust me, you will love that you did. This chicken is a to-go for everything in this house. But today I am making this for a family who God blessed with a baby, and they are celebrating that baby's christening today. And yeah, I decided to honor that family in this way. This is Christmas. Yeah, this is the first tray, and yeah, this is the second tray. I'm going to honor this family today. Guess what, guys? I was the one that made the food for their wedding, and I kept believing God for this family, that God should bless them with a baby. These are young couples, and eventually God honored himself in their lives, and today God has blessed them with a beautiful baby girl. And yeah, why won't I celebrate such a bundle of joy that God has blessed this family with? This is what celebrating. It is what celebrating. And I decree and declare upon everyone out there who is believing God for the baby, who is believing God for a baby girl or a baby boy, or anyone out there who hasn't, given birth before, anyone out there who hasn't given birth before but believing God for a baby, God is going to do it in our lives. God is going to do it in your life. He will hear all our prayers, and he will give us every of our good heart desires. Trust me, this is a festive season. You can just sow a seed this way. You can pray a prayer this way. I love to pray a prayer of seed, and it has done a lot in my life. So this is a prayer of seed I'm doing, and yeah, I am happy doing it. It is a prayer of seed, and I'm so happy doing it. Guys, it tastes fantastic. It tastes amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, it tastes excellent. Trust me. I don't know which other word to use, but this is awesome. So we're going to marinate for like 30 minutes because, guys, trust me, we are not about to waste time here. That is why I always tell you, go about your chicken this way, but boil it and get rid of all of those dirty blood and all those preservatives from your chicken. And yeah, it won't take you time to marinate, because every seasoning you add to this chicken will get into this chicken once you go about it this way. Parboil your chicken with lemon and lime, and just go about it this special way. You are going to love that you did. Look at this beauty.
How would you want to marinate your chicken before grilling? What are the herbs you love to have in your chicken?
This is how I grill my chicken. So you can grill your chicken this way. Honestly, you will love that you did. I am very busy, but I'll make sure I make out time and put everything in the description of those videos. I promise to put the ingredients in the description. Thank you. Let's get started. Few minutes later, I'm going to get this into the oven so that it can start grilling. We don't have much time. This is the first tray, and this is the second. This is the second tray, guys. You can do broil, you can do grill, you can do bake, you can do broil. So I want to do high on broil. I'll be checking it. Make sure you are checking it because we don't have time. That's why I'm doing it on high. But if you're doing it on high, make sure you keep checking it, turn it around so that it doesn't get burnt. As our chicken is grilling, I'm going to start making sauce. So to my pot, I'll add a little pinch of groundnut oil. To my oil, I'm going to add some onion. Go in with your bay leaf. Go in with some curry. Go in with some thyme. Stir everything together. It smells so divine right now. Go in with some little paste. We are just making a little stew for the chicken. This is just to garnish the chicken and to give it some extra flavor. Keep stirring everything until it is well cooked. Do not add any Maggi seasoning here, otherwise it will start burning at this point. Remember, this is just a sauce to garnish your chicken. You just want to add a little salt just to help that bitter taste in your tomato paste. So I'll be toasting this for 5 minutes. Everything is smelling delicious in this kitchen right now. Everything smells so divine. I feel like making some jollof rice. Look at it. Your tomato is cooked. This is your tomato paste now. I'm going to go in with my crushed tomatoes. Everything well. I'm going to go in with my herbs. These are all my herbs. I'm going to go in with some chicken juice, which is the chicken sauce, chicken stock. Yeah, so that was the chicken stock. You can call it chicken juice or chicken broth. Guys, it tastes so fantastic. Like, that chicken broth is everything. I don't need to add any more seasoning. Like, it's so delicious. It's so delicious, guys. I feel like making jollof rice. I'm going to go in with some onion. This stew is for garnishing, like I said. So I'm just going to let this onion cook for 60 seconds and we are done. Our sauce for the chicken is ready. I'm going to check the chicken right now. Ready. Well seasoned, well grilled. Yeah. So guys, here is our stew. I'm just going to put it on the chicken. Just garnish your chicken like so. Yeah.
Are you loving it, team? Are you loving it? If you are, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please drop your comment on this recipe and feel free to let me know if there's any other recipe you want me to get done. Thank you. This is Christmas Vlogmass.
This is how you can get your chicken done. I hope you have loved this recipe. Richie's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. I got to take this chicken to where he's going to because we are running late.
Turn on your notification bell for more interesting videos. Thank you all. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.